Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is May 13, Monday, and it's my day off. And I am going to make my number 5 translation language video from English to Tagalog to Visayan. So I have here 11 words. I'm going to make it 5 minutes at least. I don't want to make it very long, so let's get started. Started with table. So this is English, Tagalog, Visayan, and I put its word into a sentence. So one, table, lamisa, lamisa. So this word lamisa, this is the same word Spanish language use. Table, lamisa. So in English, the table is sitting up for 4 people. Ang lamisa nakahanda para sa 4 na tao. Ang lamisa andam na para sa 4 ka tao. Ang laki. Okay. Number 2. Food, pagkain. Pagkain. That's the same. Pagkaon. Oh, man, I always done wrong. Okay. Okay. Food, pagkain, pagkaon. Food is just right for all. Ang pagkain, tama lang para sa lahat. Ang pagkaon, sakto ra para sa tanan. 3. Full, busog, busog. That's the same also. That's busog. Okay. My stomach is full. Ang aking tiyan ay busog. Tiyan nako busog. Number 4. Pray, dasal, ampo. Let's pray before we eat. Dasal muna tayo bago kakain. Ampo sa tao sa mukaon. Right, number 5. Delicious. Masarap, lami. The food is delicious. Masarap ang pagkain. Lami ang pagkaon. Number 6. Expensive, mahal, mahal. The same Visayan in Tagalog here. Food are expensive. Mahal ang mga pagkain. Mahal ang mga pagkaon. So the only word that changes are letters that change in this Tagalog and Visayan is just the I and the U. That's pretty cool. I just don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, that's what happened. I changed supposed to be U. So when I do that, just yeah. All right. Number 7. Far, malayo, layo. The store is far. Malayo ang tindahan. Layo ang tindahan. So this is the same tindahan in Tagalog and Visayan also. Number 8. Cook, tagaluto, tigluto. The cook is very good. Napakagaling ng tagaluto. Maayo kaayo ang tigluto. Coming, pagpunta, pag-anhi. Thank you all for coming. Salamat sa lahat sa pagpunta. Salamat sa tanan sa pag-anhi. Be careful, ingat, amping. Be careful on the way home. Ingat sa daan pauwi sa inyo. Amping sa dalan pauwi sa inyo. Evening, gabi, gabi. This word is just from Tagalog. Just put one letter at the end in Visayan. Gabi. Good evening to all. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Maayong gabi sa tanan. So that's all for today, and I will see you in my next video. I'm trying to fit this into 5 minutes as I can. So see you in my next video in number 6. You take care. Bye.